microphone right there. Bruh. I pushed the bed out the way, y'all. I don't think y'all understand. I've been waiting. This is my dream. Oh, okay. First thing we're gonna do is put the holy water on. I pray that everything in this package is as it is in Jesus' name. Nothing wrong with it in Jesus' name. In Jesus' name. Glad you got here on time. In Jesus' name. Okay? Hey, Ida, good girl. She over here shaking. Why are you scared? You gotta be scared. Oh my God. It's just like the YouTube video. It's just like the YouTube video. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look on my baby. I got signal lights. It turns left and right. Oh my gosh. Oh! Oh my gosh. You see it? Kickstand. Bam! Ow! Here we go. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna do it. Y'all just gonna watch. But let's go ahead and just get to it so we can start riding and start charging this thing. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Hit that like button though. Welcome back for another video. We're gonna be doing bike reviews, mic reviews, Raspberry Pi reviews. Raspberry Pi! Alright. Easy, easy, nothing crazy. Alright, so we're gonna lift this handle up. Oh my God! Okay. It comes with keys. Well, of course, but I got keys. Oh my gosh. This is not good quality. I got a ghetto bed in the back. I'm gonna get back to y'all after I put this together. I don't have the best setup for me to show y'all me putting it together like I want. Let's just do a little bit. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. I'm already dropping stuff, Jesus. Oh! I kind of want to be charging it while I'm doing this. So, ow! Oh! Let's go through the box real quick and see what comes in the box. I pray the audio sounds clear. There's my seat. There's the seat. We got the part that goes on the basket, the cushion that goes on top of my basket. This is probably the most ghetto setup I've ever seen, bro. We got the fan in the cut. It's all right though. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do, bro. Hey, this is for my dog. She gonna sit in the basket. There we go. There we go. Yeah. Bro, my dog fell off. Bruh. Look at her. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. I'm gonna go take you back. Oh! Until we get you a real basket. Oh, Eden, you wanna go out there? She in here shaking, y'all. Oh, no, she's scared. I'm gonna put like walls around this, and she's gonna get inside the basket and ride with me. She said, "Hey, y'all, hit that like button." Here's the bag with all the bolts and the fun stuff. First things first, we need to put the handlebar on the right thing because I don't want it just sitting there hanging. I always wanted an electrical bike, but this will do for now. It's the same thing as a bike. I got a seat, bro. Excuse me. I got a seat, bro. I got a seat. I can see clearly now. My butt cheek's gonna be, yeah. Bruh. And they said that this is really, really comfortable. I watched so many YouTube videos. There's front suspension, there's front suspension, rear suspension, and plus my butt cheeks adds another bounce. So here's the power supply. I'm gonna go ahead and start charging this real quick. By the time I get done building this, and just go for a ride. I know you're probably like, Drea, where's the instructions? Read the instructions. Look, I've seen so many videos, bro. I watched so many videos. It comes with a bike lock. I don't know how to use this thing, y'all, but we're gonna figure it out. And I ordered a gun. I got a gun on the way. So that way when I'm riding in the streets and anybody wanna be like, hey, sweet lady, I'm gonna be like, hey, I'm carrying, bro. You don't even want these problems. Oh. Here's the bike lock. We're gonna figure this out later as a team. Drop in the comments if you know how to do this easy. Here is the strap for the basket. This is going to be holding this down whenever Eden's not, my dog Eden isn't riding with me. Let's see. Here's the instructions. Don't need that. Okay. And then here's the power supply. So let's go. Let's see. Let's go. 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 Gotta hurry up because I don't want this just hanging. It comes with, like, right here. I don't know if you can see these cords. Y'all see those cords? I can charge my phone while I'm riding, bro. I can do all things through Christ, bro. I can do all things through Christ. You can't tell me nothing because I'm nice. And if you want to mess with me while I'm riding, you can take a chance and roll that dice. But when I shoot at you, I ain't gonna miss or blink twice. Like,
Lies, lies, and more lies.
I'm just kidding. You are gonna read the instructions. All right, folding electric scooter. This is what it looks like, y'all. That's how it's gonna be when I'm done building it. Honestly, I think I know everything. I ain't gonna lie. It gives you the tools you need. That's what's up. I'm gonna need this in a minute. Here's the keys. Boom, got 2 of them. Hey, I'm gonna tighten this up real quick. I'm just gonna do it. Y'all just gotta see. I wish I had a better way to do this, but I don't. So first we put down this. And honestly, this goes on the back side, I believe, that small one. I have the handstand on, as you can see. So now we're gonna work on the seat and then we're gonna do the basket. I'll be back. All right, let's just test it out. Oh,
10 out of 10.
now we're gonna pull down this thing. Nice and easy. Yeah, we're safe. Okay, let's work on the basket. Let's put the basket together. It's gonna take a minute. All right, so you see I have the basket hooked on. Let's take off the plastic because we don't need that no more. Tight. All right, next time I see y'all, I will be outside. All right, we about to go hit the road. Got the lights on. Good girl. You in there. It's a tight space, but you in there. She in there. So yeah, this is awesome. And the way I charge my phone, see that little red thing at the bottom? That's where the USB would go. And the charger goes through this little hole. But yes, sir. Let's go ride. I ain't gonna lie, I'm kind of nervous. All right, so we go back. Oh, here we go. Here we go. First time on dirt. Super grateful. Hey, girl. Let's see. Is she shaking? You scared? Nah, she good. And my weapon should be here probably, I think, next week. So if you see me, don't mess with me. Okay? All right, y'all. Thanks for watching the video. I don't know, man. I give this already a 10 out of 10. Look at her. Look at her. Yeah. Yay. I just want to keep riding, bro. But I didn't really charge it like I should. It says 3, but sometimes it goes down to 2. But look how beautiful. Look how, let me turn off the lights. Hold on. If I can remember how. Look at that. Look how beautiful, bro.